Hello, my third, fourth, and fifth graders. So today we're gonna work on some agility drills. And our first warm-up, we're gonna have a little math involved in it. So for the warm-up, I use pool noodles and index cards, but you can use chalk for everything. You can use jump ropes for the pool noodles. You can use brooms for the pool noodles. For the index cards, you can use pieces of paper, again, chalk, anything really. So how this is gonna work, I was kind of lazy. Also, I was running out of index cards, but this side from the green pool noodle over is gonna represent the number 4. So if I had 4 all the way down, this is gonna be 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, and so forth. So when you start, you're gonna start to the side of the green. You're gonna go 4 times 1 is 4. You're gonna make your way back over. 4 times 2 is 8. And all the way down the line. So to improve your agility and hand-eye coordination, you can use a ball, but you don't have to. I'm going to use a basketball. Okay, so 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. Ah, I hit my 6 card and it fell out of place. What was I on? 6, right? 4 times 6 equals 24. They're out of place again, but it's fine. 4 times 7 is 28. 4. I don't think I did 8. Just in case, we're doing it again. Times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 11 is 44. 4 times 12 is 48. So my index cards moved a little bit as I hit them, but that's fine. That's why chalk works even greater, but it's all good. So that will be a warm-up, and you'll do that 2 times. And you can choose other numbers besides 4 if you want. You can do 5 times tables, you can do 6 times tables, you can do your 7s, and so forth, whatever you feel like. Okay, next we're gonna work on some agility drills. If you play football or basketball outside of school, your coaches have probably made you do some of these before. And you're gonna go through each one at least twice and time yourself and see if you improved from the first time to the last time. And if you're in the Florida sun about midday like I am, don't forget to drink in between because it's really hot out and we don't need anyone passing out. So last week I had Black Panther in one of my videos, maybe both, I don't remember. But because I used the Black Panther last week, I have more Avengers helping me out this week. These guys are gonna represent my cones. You can use real cones, you can use sneakers, you can use hats, you can draw cones if you have chalk. Whatever you want to use, I'm using these guys as my cones. We got Captain America, we got Rocket, we have Ant-Man, we have the Hulk, and we have Thor from Infinity War. The first drill we're going to do, we're gonna need 4 cones. So I'm gonna use Captain America, Thor, Ant-Man, and the Hulk, and Rocket's gonna sit out this round. So cone 1 is Captain America. Then if we walk 10 paces forward, we got Thor, who's cone 2. And if we move to my left, we got the Hulk as cone 3. Now if we go to my right, for sure my right this time, we got Ant-Man being cone 4. I don't know if you can see Captain America. He's there somewhere. Is that him? Yeah. Alright, so I start at Captain America. I run forward to cone 2, which is Thor. If you can see, it's kind of hard to see for me looking at my phone. Then I'm going to side shuffle to my left to cone 3, which is Hulk. Then I'm going to side shuffle to cone 4, which is Ant-Man. Then I'm going to side shuffle back to cone 2 to Thor. And I'm going to jog backwards back to Captain America, which is cone 1. Somewhere, he's back here. So you run forward 10, you side shuffle 5, you side shuffle 10, you side shuffle 5, and then you jog back 10. No. Go away, Lily. Alright, here's the second agility drill. So you need 6 cones. Because I have 5 superheroes, I'm going to use a mat as a cone. So this mat is going to be my starting point. The first time through, I'm going to come to Captain America. I'm going to turn around and go to Thor. Sorry, that's Hulk, who's on my left. Then I'm going to go back to the mat. I'm going to go again. I'm going to skip past Captain America. I'm going to go to Ant-Man and turn to my left. And I'm going to hit Rocket. Then I'm going to go back to the mat. I'm going to go all the way to Thor. And I'm going to turn straight back for the mat. So, go cone 1 to your right. Cone 2 to your left. Cone 3, straight back. So agility is used for a lot of things, and it's a lot of acceleration, deceleration, and then acceleration. So fast, slow, and then fast again. So like if we were playing football right now, and I was on offense, and you were on defense, and I was trying to get away from you, I might do a little stop, and then take off to try to confuse you. So this is what this next drill is going to work on. So the Hulk is my first cone, and 5 yards away from him, it is Thor, which is going to be cone number 2, even though he's the 3rd furthest away. Then, after Thor, I go back to Rocket, or cone number 3, and then, which is about 2 yards away from each other. From Rocket, you go to Captain America, which is cone 4, and then back to cone 1. So it goes Hulk to Thor, Thor to Rocket, Rocket to Captain America, Cap back to Hulk. So remember, stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and try to do each drill at least twice, and time yourself each time. See if you improve your time each time. Alrighty, have a good week. See you next week. If there's any questions or anything, don't be afraid to email me, or even write on the classroom stream. Any way you want to get a hold of me is fine. Just if you need help, let me know.